Hey Stalwart Fam!
Hey!
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back.
My name is Faith.
My name is Michael.
And we are
the Stalwart Lovers.
Woo! Yes, so welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Please subscribe down below, like this video, drop a lovely comment, and share with everyone that you know.
Yes.
And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. You're welcome.
Yes, thank you so much, all our new subscribers. Thank you so much for all the engagement. We love you so much. Also, make sure you are following us on Instagram at the_Stalwart_Lovers. Do not forget to follow us. There are content there that can make your day, make you laugh, see us much more than you're seeing in videos like this. So make sure you do well to follow us on Instagram.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so babe, what are we doing today?
Yes, so we are discussing a topic, a continuation of a series, things to avoid in a relationship. We're going to link the playlist up here so you can watch. You can watch the previous
episodes.
Previous episodes. Yes, and what we are talking about majorly today is lies. Yeah, lies are it's a very important topic for us to discuss and to look at. You understand? Because it's something that is very little. Sometimes and subtle. You might not know how much damage a lie or two lies or three lies is doing until you actually see the result. Or so you ask your partner one day that, am I a liar? And they tell you, oh yes you are. Yeah, so never underestimate a lie. If you want a solid relationship, yes, they're trying to build something really solid, something really, strong and
a stalwart kind of relationship.
You need to watch out for lies, because trust is a bedrock for relationships. Like once you can completely, entirely, totally, trust your partner and just feel very relaxed and safe in their words, in their actions, and everything they tell you. See, that's one of the most blissful ways to enjoy your life.
I think that I think that it cannot be overemphasized. Trust in relationship is like the bedrock of lasting relationships, alongside many others. Right, so you cannot have a solid relationship without having full trust in your partner, right?
And what is one of the things that can break trust?
Lies.
I
mean, I can trust you today, but once I see that you are not keeping your words, or you lied to me, you deliberately lied to me.
Even if it is something very small, even if it is, I don't have credits, but I actually do, and then your partner finds out.
Yes.
It's to register something.
Or imagine that I'm in trouble and I need you to quickly come through for me with a little amount, and you say you don't have, and I find out that you actually lied about it. Or you say, oh, you cannot do something for me because you are busy, you have work to do, but I now find out that you are actually playing games with a friend. It just sowed the wrong seed in my heart that I cannot trust you. I can't take your word for it.
Lie to me, or this lady can actually
lie to
and
that's the beginning. That's the beginning. That's when you now travel for work in another state or another country, and your partner is busy thinking, what is he doing with other girls now? And then you are forming, nothing happened, but she cannot believe you because you are a liar. In very little degrees you are a liar. And if you can lie about little things, you can lie about bigger things.
Babe, so how can we avoid lies in our relationships?
Yes, so before we talk about how we can avoid lies, if you find yourself that sometimes you lie, right? Because I want you to first take an evaluation right now. Think about your life, right? Are you a liar? Are you actually true to every word you say? Because many of us struggle with these things in very, very little ways. Sometimes someone will ask you for financial help and you say, I don't have money. Whereas you have money, you could say, well, I don't have money to spare. Just to help your heart to be sure that you are not misappropriating or misrepresenting the information. It's not easy, trust me. It's a daily walk, but when you observe that, okay, I probably have a challenge with lying, no matter how little it is, and I want to work on it, how can you avoid it? The first thing is know the cause, the reason why you lie. So people lie for different reasons. Number one, people lie by default, by nature. There are some born liars, like the way they born you in your mother's womb, you came out saying
lying.
You came out saying that, this place is so interesting. Instead of crying, you are just saying, this head is so nice. Maybe you are a born liar. Okay, but people lie by default because lying is part of the human nature, like the flesh, right? Like, I used to be a natural liar. Yes, like my first day in uni, I used to say this story. I was in a room one time, and one of my roommates said, Michael, you two, they lie. And I was shocked. I was like, Mike, I don't lie now.
Me.
And then everybody else in the room said, Shoo? You don't say you lie. You don't say you lie. You know, I'm like, that really got to me. Like, wow, do I lie that much?
Like, do I
because
really
it's
lie
so
that
second
much?
nature. Maybe, and it might not be lying about big things, just normal. Oh, have you done this?
Your assignments?
Oh, I've not done
not.
it because you don't want them to copy you, or things like that. Just lying by nature. So if you find yourself lying by nature, you need to have a mind renewal, and that comes by being born again and feeding your mind with the word of God.
Yeah, and even being conscious of, I'm lying. Oh, I just lied.
Yes, so if you know it's natural to you, then you have to be conscious. Like what I did was, I told myself that I want to be a man that if I tell people to describe me in few words, liar should not be part of those words.
Yeah.
You understand? So I was deliberate about checking my words, and I now kept telling myself, I don't lie. If you tell, I tell you, I don't lie. So I make sure my yes is yes, my no is no. So if you ask me something and I tell you and you don't believe me, the next thing I'll tell you is, I don't lie. Now I used to remind myself that, Michael, you don't lie. So the day I lied, the way my spirit would grieve me, but Michael, you lied. Michael, so the Holy Spirit did that work in my heart as I consciously reminded myself that I don't lie. It is not my nature to lie, right? And I was watching my words to be sure that anything I don't want to be held by, I don't say.
Yeah.
And that takes into the next one, which is that people lie because they are afraid of the person they are speaking to. This one, when you are talking about something, you're describing something, or you're talking to your partner and you are lying to your partner, it's because you are afraid of maybe
how they will take it,
or maybe they'll feel disappointed. Maybe you messed up. You're not trying to lie because you know that you have messed up. Right? How do you avoid that? Try not to do things that will make you afraid of.
And also, apart from trying not to do things that would make you afraid, also, it is always better to actually reap the consequences. Like, literally tell them. Do you know what you're going to benefit from that? You are going to actually let them know that, okay, this person is responsible. Like, they own up to their faults. That's one. And then two, they can trust you that, okay, even if you did something wrong, you rather tell me than lie about it. When you lie about it and they find out that you actually lied about this thing, it's going to make it worse.
Yes.
It's going to make it worse. That consequence that you're trying to avoid, you get the consequence, and then you also get extra jara on top. You lose your partner's trust.
Yes. So it's better for you to own up. See, lying
your full chest.
Lying is a terrible character. Leaders don't lie.
Yeah.
Right? If you want to be a good man in your home, or if you have a lying partner, play this video for them. Leaders don't lie. Because if a leader lies, then when there is a fault, it will cover up the fault instead of owning responsibility, because leadership is taking responsibility, owning your fault and say, I messed up, I'm going to fix it. And that is a good quality of a good leader, whether you're a woman or you're a man.
Yes,
we are leaders in different areas. Yes.
And there's no reason why you should be afraid of your partner. Like,
why?
I mean, don't I can never understand this, but there's
you can never. So you're not afraid of me? No. Wait, I'm coming. Pause. We'll come back. You're not afraid of me.
I'm not afraid of you.
Have you not read in the scripture that the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom?
The fear of the Lord.
So you don't fear your husband as unto the Lord.
What? there's godly fear now.
What's be afraid of me? You better be afraid of me.
You said be afraid of me. I'm very dangerous.
Nice. You gave me bad goals. Me said I should be afraid of you.
Yes,
no. Let's focus on what. Hey, babe, behave. Focus. No. Serious, behave. Now, what are you saying?
Yes, you shouldn't be afraid of your partner. I mean, grow to a point. You guys should grow to a point where you can communicate anything, no matter how bad it is. Honestly,
anything.
There's bliss in that. Yes. No matter how bad it is, please communicate with your partner. Tell them how you feel. Don't be afraid of how they are going to take it. And some other people actually lie because of the image they're trying to portray. You just met this girl,
fake
or you guys are dating.
You make it.
You tell her you have a car, you have a house, and you're busy squatting and borrowing your friend's car.
Oh God.
I feel like this is cliche, but I mean,
just,
do people still do this?
People do it a lot.
They still do it,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Like some people actually like to portray a self-image. I mean, see, brothers, sisters, you don't need to lie to your partner that you are something that you are not.
Yes.
Like, please, let's just be sincere. Let's try to be sincere.
I mean,
like, sincerity is one of the ways you can win your partner's heart. Like, you are trying to tell them if they're not going to stay with you because you don't have this car or you don't have this house, then they are not meant for you.
They're not meant for you.
That means they're materialistic people. I think you told me about a particular story that if one of your friends was telling you that they
one of my friends.
Okay, say the story.
One of my friends was telling me that my at that time we were just fresh in relationship, and you know me, I was evangelizing love and talking to my friend about my relationship, and it was just like, she's only with you because she has not seen someone that is richer than you know. And I was like that's not who my baby is. He said, okay, I should give him my baby's phone number, that he's going to try to, you know, woo her with money and all those things. And without thinking, I gave him a number. Like, oh yeah, now game on.
You know. So I mean, things like that to help you to know that, see, my partner did not come to me for the money.
But because I trusted her
for the money before, exactly.
He didn't even call in the end, right? And if he had done that, I knew she wouldn't have gone. And if she had gone, then there would have not been a Stalwart lover with Mike and Faith. It would have been Mike and someone else, because you cannot go and then come back. I'm not going to accept you. We don't deal with materialism. But of course I knew you were not going to go anywhere.
After I've already painted the picture of Mike and someone else.
No, the someone else. Even when I was painting the picture. No, wait. Do you know the strangest thing? Even when I was painting the picture of Mike and someone else, the name still started with an F. Because I can't
They just try to patronize
I can't picture Michael without Faith. You're like my MF. Is there something like that? We're digressing in this video. Let's focus.
Okay, focus. Let's focus back. Okay, yeah. So I mean, how to handle that? Just, I mean, be open with your partner. Show them where you are at. You know, be open with them. Okay, this is what and that's why if at those stages you can tell them. I mean, an estimate of how much you earn or how you earn and things like that. I mean, just be open. Be together with your partner. Be conscious that, okay, we are in this together, we are building something solid. When things are bad, we'll be in it together. When things become rosy, we'll also be in it together. So that's basically it.
Another way you can help yourself, if you find out that you lie because you want to portray certain self-image, is be conscious of exaggerations in your words. If you are talking and you always exaggerate, you find yourself trying to say it in a way to make everybody listening see you as the hero or as the baddest guy, and you watch it. Be comfortable in yourself and in your state. And if you are not the best person in the world and in the group, be comfortable with it. That is who you are, and you cannot change that for anything. There's no need to make people see you better. In fact, as much as possible, I think Paul said that I'm careful not to make people accord me respect more than they see in my life that I am due. So when you exaggerate yourself, people will tend to respect you or accord a certain degree of honor more than you really. Let them see it and honor what they see, not what you tell them. Yes, I think that's very important, and it will really help. So avoid lies by all means in your relationship. It breaks trust, and trust is a strong foundation. So if you have a lying partner, you have a partner that sometimes doesn't keep their words, play this video for them, send them this video, recommend it, or you both sit down and watch it. It is actually counseling and therapeutic for the both of you to do that. All right, and then you can do an evaluation of yourself too and say, I think you used to lie. Let's talk. Do I used to lie to? Which area? Okay, how can I stop lying? How can we help each other from stopping lying? You know, be the kind of partners that you are actually a team working towards a successful goal. Like, you have a problem, I will help you out. I have a problem, I need you to help me out. You know, that's the kind of relationship you should be building.
So if you enjoyed watching this video, please drop a like down below, drop a comment, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already.
Subscribe and share with your friends.
And share with your friends and family.
Alright, and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at _Stalwart_lovers. Okay, so till we come your way again.
Keep loving
and keep believing.
We are
the Stalwart Lovers.
Peace.